Hello friends, we are back with a new video and I hope you all would like it. The motive behind making this video was I was hearing and seeing so many people running after acquiring good communication skills and all they knew about it was to have good command over English language. Today, I will brief you what are the essential skills to communicate well, different ways of communication, and the basics of each communication style in order to achieve goal of effective communication. So let's get started. We will start by knowing what communication is exactly is. Communication is a way of sharing views, thoughts, messages, feelings and information etc. This can be done in various forms, that is, written, spoken, sign language that we consider in non-verbal communication, and the main aim is to convey what you want to share and to make the receiver understand in a proper manner. Remember, it is a two-way process that begins with sender and ends with receiving feedback. Let's move on to the various types of communication. But before that, one should learn to make the right choice about the right type of communication at the right time. Before starting any communication, ask yourself these questions. Ask yourself, should I say it? Is it the right time or it can wait? What form of body language is appropriate for this communication? Which words are most appropriate? Which facial expression suits the best? Always remember, words can't be taken back, so choose your words wisely. Let us start with non-verbal communication. As the name suggests, it is the act of communicating without saying anything. This type of communication includes the way of you present yourself, your body language, facial expressions, and eye contact. Eye contact. Eyes have often been called the mirror of the soul. Make your eyes smile and maintain eye contact while communicating. This builds trust, goodwill, and positive relationships. Facial expressions. Always match your facial expressions with the words you use. For example, would you like and believe a person with a very serious expression on his face and even a serious tone saying, "Happy to see you"? Of course not. The best facial expression is to smile. Keep smiling. Body language. Keep erect, confident, and friendly posture always. Avoid sloppy, lazy, and sluggish postures as it extremely portrays negative images about self esteem and confidence. Attitude is very important. Keep a positive attitude. Communicator use positive attitudes while communicating. Positive attitudes convey success, empathy, warmth, sincerity, and assertiveness. Let us move further to the verbal communication. It includes monologue, dialogue, debate, group discussions, arguments, conversation, etc. As the word suggests, it is about speaking, listening carefully, and then speaking again. Very few people listen aggressively and with empathy, and this is the prime reason why their communication either fails or create communication gaps. The best policy to follow is to always remember why one has two ears and one mouth. Obviously, to listen twice as much as one can. Now, I will tell you the basics of each communication style. Basics for written communication. Use simple, easy to understand language. Keep a check on your spellings. Use appropriate words, punctuation marks, paragraph, and signs. Be courteous in your written communication. Show that you care about others. Do not use any form of slang or offending words. Ensure clarity, accuracy, and stimulate response. Demonstrate empathy. Write what you mean and be specific. Now, the basics for verbal communication. Always maintain eye contact. Modulate your voice and voice level. Check your pronunciations. Show sincerity. Be courteous. Eliminate offending words and unparliamentary language. Demonstrate empathy. Say what you mean and be specific. Your body also says a lot, and the basics of the body language is movement of body should be synchronized with verbal communication. See the situation, keep your expressions accordingly. Use your words wisely. Fine tune your gestures, actions, and words. Avoid and eliminate unwanted actions and irrelevant body gestures as these create a negative impact. I hope this video has helped you in one way or other.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment in the comment section below. If you have any suggestions for us, feel free to write it in the comment section below. For more videos, keep watching and stay tuned. Thank you.